Okay, hi Mr. Bratton. So first I'm going to do this triangle, which is 45, 45, and 90 because of the 90-degree angle, and then the two 45 sides are the same. Okay, so basically I'm going to call this x and this y, and the x would equal 9 to the square root of 3 because these are both 45 angles, so those two sides would be the same. And so basically to find the y, you just multiply 9 to the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, which then equals y. And since we're doing square roots, you would just do 3 times 2, which is 6. So 9 to the square root of 6 equals y. And also the ratio for that would have been 1 to 1 to the square root of 2. So, and the reason that it's 45, 45, 90 is because all of those add up to 180. So this x would be 9 to the square root of 3, while the y would be then 9 to the square root of 6. Okay, so then going on to the second triangle, it would be 30, 60, 90, because all those add up to 180, and there's a 90-degree angle, and since this side is 60, or this angle is 60, then you can figure out that the other one is 30. So, then the ratio for these would be 1 to the square root of 3 to 2. And basically then I'm going to call this side y, so we'll solve for y first. So y times the square root of 3 equals 9 to the square root of 6 because that is the length of the other side. And then we can divide both sides by the square root of 3 to cross both of these out, so then you just get y by itself. And so then y equals, it'd be 9 to the square root of 2 because 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So this would be the y there. Okay, so then to solve for x, basically you do the same thing that we did with the first triangle, and you would do x equals 9 to the square root of 2 times 2. So then since this 2 over here isn't the square root of anything, you would multiply this 2 by the 9 this time, and it would be x equals 18 to the square root of 2. So this x here is equal to 18 to the square root of 2, which is the final answer. And that is all. So now we can try to stop this somehow.